In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily enable file uploads on your Wix website. This is ideal for websites that need users to submit documents, images, or any other files directly through the site. Let's dive in and get started with a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you have your Wix Editor or Studio open in Google Chrome. It's important to use Google Chrome for this process because sometimes other browsers might not fully support all of Wix's features or could cause compatibility issues, so using Chrome ensures a smoother experience. Once you have your Wix editor up and running, it's time to move forward. Now, let's explore the Wix app market. If you're unfamiliar, this is an expansive resource where you can add a variety of features to your site. Think of it as a toolbox filled with different enhancements that you can implement to improve the functionality of your website. Look for the Wix File Upload app, which is specifically designed for users to upload files directly to your site. Alternatively, you can use Wix Forms, which is another great tool, and it already includes an option for a file upload field. Both of these tools are incredibly user-friendly and effective. Once you've decided on your tool of choice, it's time to customize the upload feature. This means you'll be tailoring this feature to suit your specific needs. Begin by customizing the text on the upload button. Make sure it's clear and instructive so users know exactly what to do. For instance, something straightforward like upload your files here can work perfectly. Next, adjust the settings to determine which file types you'll accept. This is very important, especially if your site requires specific formats. You'll also want to set a maximum file size to prevent users from uploading excessively large files that might take up too much of your storage or violate any hosting limits. After you've customized the settings, it's time to add the upload button to the specific page or form on your site where you'll want users to upload files. This step is crucial to ensure that your visitors can easily find where to upload their documents. Place it strategically on your page or form, perhaps near relevant content or a call to action, to provide a seamless experience for the user. Finally, after you've configured and placed the upload button, remember to save your changes. This ensures that all your hard work doesn't disappear and can be safely accessed next time you open your site. And just like that, with everything set in place, it's time to publish your site. By hitting that publish button, you're making sure that the upload capability is live and ready for your users to start interacting with. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled file uploads on your Wix website. This simple yet effective feature can greatly enhance user interaction and make your site more dynamic. Happy building!